the chickens. I'm recording so people on Karma's World could see. When I be talking about my daddy having his own chickens and stuff, folks don't believe me. Huh?
Straight country.
Ooh, look at the chickens. Yeah, and see, this is the size the chicken's supposed to be, right here. Mm-hmm.
But that nigga is on the loose.
Oh, word. So if he start chasing me, I'ma run. You other two dogs, are they scared? Are they cold? Or what they doing? That is what chicken's supposed to look like. You need some help?
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging you. I was just trying to make sure that everybody out there in the world see that this is what the size of a chicken's supposed to be like. Nowadays.
That tractor right there probably costs more than their damn house.
Oh, he talking? Okay, he talking there, he coming their way. Ooh, shit. Take off running on that motherfucker. That mug ain't playing. Well, that hen ain't no hoe.